Good afternoon, Your Excellency. You are welcome. Proceed into the hopper, but close the conveyor belt into the washer. The washer washes the cassava tuber. The washer washes the cassava tuber, and then the tuber is chopped, rasped, and decanted, and the cassava cake comes out here. The essence is that we reduce the moisture content to 55%. Sterilizer. It's a giant sterilizer that can sterilize up to 26,000 liters per hour during production. It is positioned at a lesser. You can see that cylindrical device. It has 10 UV tubes, 6 megawatts of power, 2-hour switch gear from where it's taken to our transformer and stepped down to 415. And we start going through the hygiene corridors. Our production team passes through this corridor where they go through a process of decontamination before they enter into the main hall where the finished product is produced.
What we're doing here today is, I got a request from the cassava production processing plants, the people that are managing it, that we need to give them or extend our support for them to complete 2 lines that will give them a standard that they can start supplying Nestle and a lot of other distributors who needs the product from this plant. And I felt it would be proper for me to see what we have already invested, what is the stage, so that it will encourage us to give a further support. So my visit here today is to see how effective is the line. But from what I've seen today, it's really impressive, and I can assure them that we are going to give the financial support to ensure that the production lines are all completed and we can go into full supply of the product with international standard to anywhere in the world.